JuliaToons presents the science of burps. Burps are like farts, but they come from your trap, not your bottom. They're made up of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, and for that extra bit of a few smell molecules. But they don't smell as bad as farts because burps don't spend as much time in your guts. The air you swallow with your food goes down into your stomach and is churned about a bit until it blasts its way up your esophagus. That's your food pipe. And if you drink too fast, it makes gases build up and come back up again as burps, making the sound of the burpophone, which is a different sound to that of the bum trumpet. So, next time you belch, eat something really smelly beforehand so your friends can enjoy it as much as you have.